Hey, what's up everybody? It's Andrew with Run Guns, and today I'm very excited to show you my RPK, and this is from Molot, which I think is very special, probably one of the best RPKs out on the market. And as you can see here, I have already a bunch of drums and everything in 7.62 by 39. So in trying to decide whether to get this in 5.45 or in 7.62 by 39, it was honestly a tough decision. I think the 5.45 for the light machine gun here, which of course it's not technically a machine gun, this is the semi-auto version. But the 5.45 I think has more historical significance for this particular rifle. Although from a practical standpoint, I'm really already invested in the 7.62 by 39 and wasn't interested in like hauling everything off, because if I get a new caliber, I basically have to have everything for it. So I really didn't want to do that, and I decided to be a little bit more practical and get the 7.62 by 39 because I'm already invested in the caliber. I have so many more magazines than you see here, but these are at least more the RPK style magazines that I do have for it. So let's take a closer look, show you guys some of the markings here. So it is a Molot, as you can see there, from Russia. Can't pronounce that, sorry. VEPR, and you can see it's imported from the FIME group to Las Vegas. And you can see it's a very interesting trigger here. This is a two-stage trigger from the FIME group. But we'll start from the back and then work our way up. But this is really one of the best rifles I have in my collection, probably. So starting from the back, you can see here, it is a paratrooper version. It is a folding stock here. It does have a very nice 1.5 inch or 1.5 millimeter Bowles trunnion, very thick steel that they use on these. They're intended to be very heavy duty, should last several generations of your family. So definitely made for the long run and for heavy duty use, which is very cool. And then working our way up, you can see here, polymer handguard, stainless steel heat shield inside. It does have a chrome lined barrel, which is hammer forged, and I believe it's about 23 inches in length, if I'm not mistaken. You do have a bipod that folds up, you have the cleaning rod, and I believe it is a 14 by 1 left-hand thread. So as you can see there, it did feel a little bit naked up front. So what I did do is I did decide to get a muzzle brake, and I was kind of between whether to get a muzzle brake or if I should get a flash hider. But considering the caliber that I chose, which was the 7.62 by 39, I felt like the muzzle brake would be more appropriate. But if it was in 5.45, probably the flash hider would be more appropriate. So that's kind of my logic there, you know, between trying to decide what to get. You can see here I have some magazines. This is the same one. I believe these are Romanian. They're military surplus, but they were in excellent condition, top loader. These are supposed to be some of the highest quality drum magazines on the market. If you guys know of anything better, let me know down in the comments below, because I'd be interested to learn about it. So yeah, these are them. I believe these are 75 rounders, just like all the boxes you see here for the other 75 rounders. And then these are 40 rounders. So I always find little details like this interesting, but as you can see there, it does have some Russian markings. These are Molot, if I'm not mistaken. And I don't know exactly what all these markings mean. If you guys do know, let me know down below. I'm always interested in learning, but I do find these little details to be pretty interesting. Same over here. And you can see I have them kind of greased up a little bit. I just want to make sure that they don't rust on me, you know, in storage. So definitely find this stuff pretty cool. And I can't wait to take it out to the range, something I have not had the opportunity to do yet. So hopefully I'll have the opportunity to do that in the short future here. And if you guys want to see that, definitely know down below and let me know what exactly you want me to do with it. So it does have, I don't know if I really got into it here, but windage up to 1,000 meters, if I'm not mistaken. This of course comes off. This is just for protection during the transportation of it, but this has never been shot, so it is like brand new as of now. So really want to break that in and, you know, see what I could do with it and see how it holds up over time. I think it's more of a collector's piece, so I'm not going to be like doing any torture tests or anything like that on it, but definitely something that I'm just going to be taking care of and, you know, hopefully passing down in the future. So this is it. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know down below. I know I haven't done a video in a while, but you know, I did have a lot of stuff going on in my personal life, and now I feel like I'm a little more situated and able to come back to doing really cool videos for you guys. Also, if you guys need an FFL transfer or an FFL to do any transfer for you and you're in Miami, definitely use Rightful Liberty. They're really good. Only $20 transfers, including the background check. I don't think it gets much cheaper than that. And they have really good customer service, so go ahead and check them out. But that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave it down below. I'm always interested in learning about these. If you want more information, actually, Mishako on YouTube has really good content, very informative, and I've actually bought some firearms from him in the past, so he's a really cool guy. Go ahead and check him out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. WRG out.